Yes. Find the integral part of 2 plus root 3 to the power of 6. This is I explained, right? Integral part, right? Integral part I explained, right? Yeah, I explained, I remember, but not this expansion, other expansion, 9 power something, right? So when you want to find integral part of 2 plus root 3 power 6, what do you do here? These type of questions, like what we do here, let us take this is as n. Okay, actually any real number can be expressed as I plus f. Any real number can be expressed as I plus f. I means what? Integer. F means what? Fraction. And f is lies between where? 0 to 1 open. 0 to 1 open. Means what I want to say here, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.44, 0.329 like that, 0.9999 like that. Okay, f is that, right? So any number can be expressed as I plus f, correct? So I am taking this as a number, n is equal to 2 plus root 3 to the power of 6, correct? So this I can write as n, I can write as I plus f. I plus f is equal to this. So expansion of this will be what? 6 is 0, 2 to the power of 6. Okay, plus 6 is 1, 2 to the power of 1, root 3. Plus 6 is 2, 2 square, root 3 square. Correct, na? No, galat. Right? You get here 2 to the power of 5. And you get here 2 to the power of 4. And you get here 63, 2 cube, root 3 cube. 64, 2 power 4, 2 square, root 3 power 4. 65, 2 power 1, root 3 power 5. 66, 2 power 1, 2 power 0, right? 2 power 0, root 3 power 6, correct? This is the expansion. Okay, this will be the expansion. Yeah. So this is the expansion of 2 plus root 3 power 6. So I can write another one is, I have to choose the another one that is with the capital F. Okay, capital F, that I will choose this one as 2 minus root 3 power 6. Okay, I take this capital F. I am taking another number capital F as 2 minus root 3 power 6. Okay, if I expand this one, what I get here? 6 is 0, 2 power 6 minus 6 is 1, 2 power 5 root 3 plus 6 is 2, 2 power 4 root 3 square minus 6 is 3. I just want to tell you here, the formula you get minus 3, minus root 3, right? Here you get minus root 3. Wherever odd is there you get minus. So here you are going to get as 2 cube root 3 power 3. Actually I have sent minus this side. And plus 64, 2 square root 3 power 4 minus 65, 2 power 1 root 3 power 5 plus 66 root 3 power 6 I can write. Correct? Acha, why we will write like this, I'll tell you. Now, just see here. Now you have to check that to become rational. Actually, integral part is asked. So it should be a without rational number. It should be have without fraction, like irrational number. It should be rational. So what do you do here? If I do addition or subtraction, what is the benefit I'll get? Addition is the benefit. So you have to check here addition or subtraction. Okay, so if I do addition here, this will be cancel out, this will be cancel out, this will be cancel out. So what I am going to get here, I plus F plus capital F is equal to 2 times of 6 is 0. 6 is 0, 2 power 6 plus 62, 2 power 4, and this you get 3 plus 64, 2 square, 3 3s are 9, right, plus 6 is 6, how much I am going to get here? 27. So now you can see that we got the answer, what is that? Without fraction, without irrational number. So I plus F value, okay. See here, see I plus F, I told you this F is there, na? This small f is lies between 0 to 1, right? Small f is lies between 0 to 1. That fraction number you have, you will get this value is 0 to 1. So either I think you can take out this 0 also, because it is a root 3 is left. So 0 to 1 you will get definitely in between 0 to 1. So capital F will be what? Capital F will be, see, 2 minus, what is the root 3 value? 1.73, right? 2 minus 1.73 means point something, 0.27 to the power of 6. It means this value also lies between 0 to 1. So the both addition will be what here? 0 F plus capital F lies between 0 to 2. So you have to find integer value. You have to find integral value. So 0 to 2 integral value will be how much? 0 to 2, 1 integral value. 0 to 2, 1 integral value. 1, I am showing it. So 0 to 2, 1 integral value is 1, right? So here, what I get here, I plus, this value will become 1, is equal to 2 into, you are going to get this one. This value how much I will get? I will write directly, because time, actually mobile charging is not there, okay. So this is you get a 64 plus this is you get 720 plus this is you get 540 plus 27. You are going to get these values, okay. So if you solve this one, I plus 1 is equal to, if you multiply and solve this one, you get as 2702 you will get. So I value will be 2702 minus 1, that is 2701 is the integral part. So you have to find integral value of this. So integral value is that. Next question is, show that integral part 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power of n, where n belongs to capital N, is odd. See, these type of questions olden days they used to ask when it was a subjective exams. So now they are not asking, but just I want to explain because it is there in the concept, okay. So what you do here, show that it is an integral part of this. What is said, they given that 5 plus 2 root 6 to the power of n. Now it is n. Previously it was 6, right? Now I write this one as I plus f, because it is a number, it comes a number, and that number will be something I plus f form, okay. So we write this was this, okay. Then we can take capital, if you are not interested to take capital F, we can take f1 also, as you wish. So this is equal to what I get here, 5 minus 2 root 6 to the power of n. So first I will expand, then I will take. So if I expand this one, what I get, I plus f is equal to NC0 5 plus NC1 5 to the power of n, 5 power n minus 1 2 root 6, right, plus NC2 5 power n minus 2 2 root 6 whole square, correct, right, plus NC3 5 power n minus 3 2 root 6 whole cube, right, plus so and so NCN, बोलो सर, 2 root 6 to the power of n, हाँ करेक्ट है ना, यस सर. So अभी we will take capital F, that is capital F is what, I will take capital F as 5 minus 2 root 6 to the power of n. So what I get here, NC0 5 power n minus, you get same, huh? Yeah, NC1 5 power n minus 1 2 root 6 plus NC2 5 power n minus 2 2 root 6 whole square minus NC3 5 power n minus 3 2 root 6 whole cube plus so and so plus NCN 2 root 6 whole to the power of n, and this is you get minus inside. Okay, finally what we are going to get here, you have to check all time, you don't think that I have to do addition only, sometimes you get subtraction also, it depends on the question. So subtraction, addition, here addition is working, right, so sometimes subtraction will work. Okay, I plus F plus capital F, correct, that is equal to 2 times of something NC0 5 power n so and so plus NCN, right, so and so we can write so and so, it's no needed to write these all things. Okay, so and so you can write, so this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out, means rational power integral part you have to get, right, irrational part you have to remove, right. So here I can write now, what I can write here, I plus, this is how much we will see, 2 into any number is a even number, 2 into some number will be even, 2 into something will be what, even, 2 into some number will be even. So our work is to do here, F plus capital F. Okay, now F is what is F here, F is here small f is always 0 to 1, small f will not change. Okay, capital F will change, small f will not change, because I took, this is I plus f, means any number I took as I plus f, here f is 0 to 1 only, here f is no change, here f is 0 to 1, no change in this, ये कभी change नहीं होगा, but which is change, this is the possibility to change. How we check? We check as, this is 5 minus 2 root 6, so 5 minus 2 into what will be the root 6 value, that you have to check, root 6, 2 point something into 2, 4 point something, 5 minus 4 point something will be 0 point something, it means that is also lies 0 to 1, but some don't expect all the time it comes 0 point something. Okay, sometimes according to the question it will change, so here is 0 point something, that means it lies between 0 to 1, so capital F is lies between 0 to 1. Now addition of these both will be lies between 0 to F plus capital F between 2, 0 to 2, right. So F plus capital F is 0 to 2, means what is the integral part, we required only integral part, so 0 to 2 integral part is what, 1, right. So here I'll write here this one, this one I'll write as I plus this is 1 is equal to even number, so I is equal to even minus 1, so I is equal to even minus 1 is how much, odd, that is only you have to prove. Clear? Okay, power over. See what happened. Complete board is not visible. Yes, now it's okay. So I think you can see now. Should I need to explain once again? No need, na? Yes, sir.